Yes, as you see, this is a problem of Ford Explorer second generation, like this, OHV, roof idle. So I'm going to take this idle control valve. So you see, I already took off this piece of, I don't know how to call it in American, cloth, like a parallel, like from here. Now I'm going to take apart this stuff. I'm going to do it like this and like this. And now I'm going to take apart this thing and try to clean it inside. So as you see, I took it apart. So this is a little motor is inside here, and we have no access to it. But this is a valve that we can clean and assemble it back. So I sprayed a little carb cleaner in here. Now we're going to clean this thing to assemble it in the reverse order, and we're going to see how engine will work. So we started it up and it works good. It's not shaped like hell. You see? Subscribe to our channel, press thumbs up. Bye bye.